Hi guys, I'm back, and today I'm doing a food vlog. Now, I've had meals across Fiji, and I know Gordon Ramsay or Jamie Oliver, but I know a good meal when I see and eat one. I've been to food courts in the capital, here I am in the capital, Suva. I've been to food courts and I've had the occasional meal here and there, and they're pretty bog standard. You get Indian curries or Chinese food, and they really lack imagination. But today, I'm here in Albert Park, and there's a cricket game. There are two cricket games going on over there. We've got the Grand Pacific Hotel, the great old lady, the grand old lady of the Pacific just behind me. It's a glorious day, the sun's come out, we've had a lot of rain lately, but today I am doing this food vlog because it's just behind me, or rather just in front of me, is the Fiji Food Truck. You can probably hear the noise coming from one of their generators. But I came here a few days ago. I was a bit grumpy, it'd been raining a lot, waited a bit of a while to get a meal, and I had this tofu and eggplant meal, and it just blew me away. It was absolutely amazing. So I'm going to take you into that really fine dining experience for me as we try the same eggplant and tofu meal again. Right, let's get started. I'm going to place an order now. Okay, the slight problem is that the tofu and the eggplant in the bao bun is not available, so I'm going to have the eggplant and the tofu in a taco? I'm having the eggplant and the tofu in a taco, am I?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm having the eggplant and the tofu in not in a bun, a bao bun, but I'm having it in a taco shell. They sold out. I should have been here earlier.
You don't mind spice rice in it?
Oh, do I mind what?
Spice rice?
Yeah, whatever. Yeah. Just
it's all vegetarian.
Yeah, just as I had it the other day. Yeah. Okay, so something about spiced rice in it. Yeah, it's a bit of a shame really, because it's when I was here the other day, I had it in one of these so-called bao buns, and that was just amazing. So I'm having it in a taco. And there's something about spiced rice being mixed in with it, so this is going to be interesting. I'm here with Melly. Melly has just been briefing me. They've had the most amazing sales this morning, but it's quite typical of the whole week, isn't it?
Yeah, the whole week, because we know the weather's bad and people are busy in their offices. So what our manager or boss usually does, he puts out this blast on Instagram and just says, hey, if you guys are busy, we do deliveries. And it's been overwhelming, the amount of people, because people just can't leave the office meetings and whatnot. So before 12 like that, we try and get the ready's order, the order's ready, and we get it out to them before lunch. Okay,
so that's why all the buns have gone. All the bao buns, which are Chinese buns, basically, they've all gone. They were sold out, which took me by surprise, because I got here just after 12, and I thought, they're sold out already. It's not even 1 o'clock. But anyway, so we're going to have the eggplant and the tofu, which absolutely, I came here, as I said, I was here a few days ago, and I was a bit grumpy. It'd been pouring with rain, and I got here and I waited a bit of a while, but I didn't mind that. But the meal just blew me away, which is so well done. It was
glad you liked
fantastic. Loved it. I mean, you can go pay a fortune in some of these cafes and restaurants around Fiji, but you might as well come here and it's cheaper. Is that mine? Is it? Yeah. Okay. Is that mine?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, great. Thank you. Wow, here it is. There you go. So we're going to try this. Wow, that is.
So it's basically everything you got in the last one?
Yeah, without the bun.
Without the bun.
And it's taco.
Taco.
Okay.
The extra thing is probably the spice rice.
So what's spice rice? Is that Chinese?
Spice rice, yeah, no, it's basically like how when you do tacos.
Yeah.
It's basically rice infused with all these different kind of spices. You got jeera, haldi,
Okay.
which fry that into the rice. And
wow. Okay.
That's basically like your base for your tapo.
Yeah, I can't wait to tuck into this, honestly. And the tofu,
nice.
That's just amazing. Yeah, I love tofu, and I love eggplant.
We basically tried because we weren't doing a lot of vegetarian dishes. We always had them. This is basically new. Probably only been on like a
Thank you very much. And this is the. I was told you worked for Colonial before, didn't you? Okay, guys, this is it. This is the eggplant and the tofu in a taco shell. And look at that. Look at that. That is just a slice of heaven on earth. I haven't tried it yet, but I tried it a few days ago and I know what to expect. So, this is it. If you happen to be in Fiji and if you're in Suva, the capital, you've got to make a trip to the Fiji Food Truck. An absolute essential, because the food will just absolutely put you in a state of ecstasy. And we're about to try the eggplant and the tofu. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is their own recipe or if they've got it off the internet from some food blogger or some website, but it is so good. I can taste there's chili, there's, he mentioned spicy rice. There is, there's a whole lot going on here. And I think I'm being bitten by mosquitoes. So I'm in Thurston Gardens, and you know what I'm like. You can't take me anywhere without feeling the weight of history. And so this Thurston Gardens with the Fiji Museum behind me. Bloody mosquitoes. Anyway, with the Fiji Museum behind me, this is all the old village of Suva, after which Suva was named. The village was relocated to the outskirts of Suva, but you know what I'm like. You can't take me and can't do a simple vlog, food vlog, without the weight of history on my shoulders. But anyway, let's continue with this meal. Oh. Now it's vegetarian, and it's also, I'm not sure if it's vegan. So watch out for those mosquitoes. And it's nice and spicy, and I do like a spicy meal. But this will just transport you to another world. You've read those stories about people who've died and seen a shining light and had a sense of peace and tranquility. They've died for a couple of minutes, or they died for about 30 seconds to a minute, whatever it is, and they've experienced the afterlife. Well, I'm experiencing the afterlife with this meal. That is just wonderful. That is so good. I'm a bit speechless. the last taco shell. I want this moment to last forever. All gone. All gone to a better place. Oh, delicious. Absolutely amazing. Fantastic. So anyway, what I wanted to tell you was something which is something I've known about for a long time, but it's quite lucky that I've turned up at Albert Park while this rare event is happening. Anyway, let me just explain. Whenever you think about Fiji, you think about rugby. You think about all those great names of Fijian rugby. You know, anywhere you go in the world, you think about rugby. But in the eastern part of Fiji, in the Leonell group, they play cricket. They don't play rugby so much as cricket. And so they've got a cricket tournament going on. They've got a cricket tournament going on here at Albert Park in Suva. And this is the start. It's Tuesday today. It's the start of the competition which will carry over into the Easter weekend, which is coming up this weekend. And so, like I said, you think of Fiji, you think of rugby, but in the eastern part of Fiji, they play cricket. They play rugby, but cricket is the major sport. And the late Prime Minister of Fiji died in 2004, Ratu Sagamis Simara. was a great cricketer. In fact, I think he played for the national team. Anyway, so here we are, we're at Albert Park, and there is a competition going on. And just have a look at this. These are some of the players who are taking part in the competition. And you've got all these. That green team over there is Lakemba. There are two teams that I saw playing over there. Vivia and Oniata. Vivia and Oniata, both islands in the Lao group. Or well, yes, they are Laoan islands. So this is it. This is these are the guys from Lakemba. Sorry, sir. Can I ask you very quickly? This is part of the competition that's happening over Easter, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is the Easter competition, isn't it? Starts today, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Wow. And all these islands from the Lao group.
Yeah.
They're all taking part, aren't they? Wow.
We're trying to get all the skills out.
Really? Yeah. It's amazing. Because everybody I speak to, whenever I go in the world, they still think of Fiji, they think of rugby.
Yeah.
That's it. They don't think of Fijian cricket.
Okay. Yeah. 20 years ago.
Yeah.
Maybe 30 years ago.
Yes.
Cricket.
Oh, okay.
You were number 2.
Fiji was number 2?
Yeah. And he's one of the last of the Mohicans.
Oh, last of the Mohicans?
Yeah.
Number 2? Where in the
world?
In the world?
Yeah.
Fiji was number 2?
Yeah, and number 2 division.
And the number 2, the second division?
Yeah, second division.
Oh, okay. And this gentleman was the last of the greats, the Mohicans, as you said, the last of the Mohicans. That's amazing.
And during that time, 5 from our island that went to the Fiji team.
They were from Lakemba?
Yeah, from Lakemba.
They were in the Fiji team?
Yeah.
Wow. And they were in the second division. They played in
they beat the West Indies.
They beat the West Indies. I remember that's true. Fiji is still on record as having beaten the West Indies in the 1950s. I remember that, yes. And the late, great Ratu Sakamesesi was the captain of the cricket team, wasn't he? Yeah. Okay, wow. That's amazing.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I'll just have a wander around.
Yeah.
Thank you, Manaka.
You talk to him.
Yeah, okay, yeah, thank you.
Worry.
So this, sorry, sir, I don't mean to interrupt you. I'm surprised you. You're one of the last great figures of the
Yes.
the Fiji cricket team.
Yes.
That played in the second division.
Yeah.
That was number 2 in the second division. Wow. And what sort of, what were you? Were you a bowler or a
All-rounder.
All-rounder. Okay. So you did a bit of batting and bowling as well. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. I was just telling my viewers that everybody thinks of Fiji as cricket, as rugby. Sorry, not as cricket. Yeah.
Bowling, batsman.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Wow. You got a. You're the. Can I just? Sorry. Thank you. I just wanted to. So that's your that's the uniform for Lakemba, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Manaka.